Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. We have a very special episode. We're going to be talking about NVIDIA. As of today, the stock is up a whopping 13% and up over 64% this year. We're going to be looking at what's going on with the company and answering that main question of should you buy this stock. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And guys, let's jump into it. Let's go. Alright, for those of you that don't know what NVIDIA is a computer parts company. They make graphics cards, SDs, and what we've seen over the course of NVIDIA's lifetime is they've seen extreme growth due to the overall demand for computers, AI, and software. Now, as of today, the stock jumped up a whopping 13% in a single day. Now, anytime a company moves that much that quick, something is going on inside it. This could be anything from an FDA approval, an earnings report. It's some sort of fundamental catalyst is what you call it. Well, you guessed it, NVIDIA announced an earnings report. So this is when the company comes out and goes, guys, this is how much money we made, this is how much money we lost, and let me tell you, they blew away expectations. So anytime you have a beat earnings, this is going to cause outside investors to want to get in on this stock, and the stock will obviously jump up in value. They reported bringing in a whopping over $6.05 billion dollars with a B, billion, not million, billion, which is so much money on their past quarter. Now, the CEO came out and pretty much stated, guys, what we've seen with AI is very similar to the iPhone movement. Now, I think we all know the huge rise and increase that we've seen with iPhones over the past 10 years and just cell phones and smartphones in general. NVIDIA's CEO said AI is going to be very similar with that. Now, how do you invest into AI? Well, I love investing into companies that are heavily invested into AI, companies that are working with AI, companies that, maybe have AI software, data, all that good stuff. And that's what NVIDIA really focuses on. We've seen a company called ChatGPT, which is an AI, an open AI company, and they reached 100 million users faster than any social media site, faster than Instagram, Facebook, all these other social media sites. So there is a huge demand for AI, and how do we profit from it? Well, a lot of people think NVIDIA, being a computer parts and company that is invested into AI and software, that NVIDIA carries a ton of potential, as well as Google and Microsoft, just because they've invested billions of dollars into AI and software. So for me, I think NVIDIA carries a ton of potential. Now, a whole bunch of analysts and stock investors move their price target from $230 all the way up to $320 a share, which is a lot. The stock right now is trading for about $232 a share. So this is an increase of about $100 a share, which is quite a lot, let me tell you that. So for me, answering that question of should you buy NVIDIA, I think it all comes down to risk, right? NVIDIA carries a ton of potential. There's a ton of opportunity. You get a little bit of some dividends, but there is volatility, right? We've seen this thing skyrocket up, skyrocket down. So there's a lot of volatility, which often will have a higher risk, but there's still a ton of reward. So high risk, high reward play. For me, I think the best strategy for NVIDIA would be to dollar cost average it. So investing weekly, monthly into this thing is a great way to build up some share price and get a good average share price. Whether the stock's going up or down, you're just going to continue to invest into this because you believe in the long-term opportunity that this company has. Not to mention, another thing I would recommend doing is keeping this under 5% of your portfolio, just because there is still heavy risk involved and you can always invest more down the road. So I think investing weekly and keeping it under 5%. So for every $100 you have into, invested into other stocks, ETFs, assets, put $5 into NVIDIA. I think that's the best way to reduce your risk, reduce your volatility, and still get that good average share price. So for me, I think NVIDIA is a no-brainer investment for the future. I think looking back in 5, 10, 15 years, we're gonna be wishing we would have bought more shares of NVIDIA, guys. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And guys, we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Hope you guys had a great day, and take care.